Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are all fine and well. According to today's lesson planner, we are going to continue our exercise C on page number 88. Today we will start from C2. It's about the conjunctions. You already know that conjunctions are the words which join two words, two phrases or two sentences. For example, I am holding a pen and eraser. Here pen and eraser have been joined with conjunction which is and. It also joins two phrases. For example, give me a glass of water or a cup of tea. Here the conjunction or is joining two phrases. It also joins two sentences. For example, I was late because it was raining. Here the conjunction is because and it is joining two sentences. Now let's move towards the exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions from the list below. And conjunctions which have been given are if, or, after, until, whether, where, unless, although. A. Please wait, dash the bus arrives. Here we will write until. Please wait until the bus arrives. B. Would you like some tea or would you prefer coffee? Here we have used the conjunction or. C. We won't be late if you take us in your car. D. We went to the zoo where we saw many animals. Here conjunction where has been used to join two sentences. Rehan is paid little money although he works very hard. Here although is a conjunction which has been used to join two sentences. F. They will leave after lunch whether their friend comes or not. G. You cannot be heard unless you shout. H. The children cross the road after the traffic lights change to green. Now let's move towards page number 89. Let's solve exercise C3. Join the sentences below using the conjunctions as, for, since or while. Here two sentences have been given and you have to join these sentences with the help of a conjunction. A. The sun was very hot. It was still summer. We will use the conjunction for to join these sentences and it will become the sun was very hot for it was still summer. When you will solve this exercise on your notebooks, you will omit this full stop and the first letter of it will be small and you will follow this in all the sentences. B. She can find the way. She is so clever. Here we will use since to join the sentences. She can find the way since she is so clever. C. He began to get frightened. It was getting dark. Here we will use as to join the sentences. He began to get frightened as it was getting dark. The last one is Mona read a book, the baby slept. We will join this by using while. Mona read a book while the baby slept. It can also be done in another way that we will use the conjunction at the start while the baby slept, then we will put a comma. Mona read a book. Now let's move towards next exercise C4 verbs and nouns. Here are two lists of verbs. The first list consists of verbs and the second consists of nouns. Can you find out what the missing nouns are? Here are the verbs and here are the nouns. Act, action. Accuse, accusation. Injure, injury. Here we have used suffix y and we have omitted e to make the noun. Satisfy, satisfaction. Explain, explanation. Complain, complaint. It is complain and the noun is complaint. Advise, advice. Here we in the verb we write s and in the noun we write c. A-D-V-I-C-E, advise. Verbs inquire and the noun is inquiry. Now you have to make the sentences with these words. You have to make sentences with these words. I have made sentences with each word and you have to make another sentences yourself. That will be your homework. Act. I will act as you advise. Actions speak louder than words. Accuse, he was accused of stealing money. Accusation, he denied the accusation that he had stolen money. Next is injured. I injured my hand while cutting the fruit. Injury, it's noun. I can't write due to the injury in my hand. Satisfy, it's verb. Work hard to satisfy your boss. Satisfaction, it's noun. Untidy work gives no satisfaction. Explain, my teacher explained the concepts thoroughly. It's verb. And explanation, it's noun. The officer heard the explanation of the accident. F. Complain, we should never complain to others. Noun is complaint. He filed a complaint against his employee. Advise, my father advised me to speak truth. Advise as a noun. Here it is as a verb and here it is as a noun. I acted upon the advice of my father. Inquire, police inquired all the prisoners one by one. Inquiry, it's noun. Police made inquiry of those who were present. Now you have to make sentences with these words and you have to learn them. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.